Hello, welcome back to CodePal. I am super excited to be unboxing the Rabbit R1 on my channel today. I have waited patiently for this box to arrive in my mailbox for so long. Here, I finally got my hands on this box. It's got a minimalistic design and everything came packed in this little gray box. Let's take a look inside. The Rabbit R1 is securely packed in this clear hard case. I'm going to take off the outer covering. I'm going to take off this hard case. The orange color is so vibrant. It's hard to miss. It has the Rabbit branding on the front and the sides. It's surprisingly very light and very easy to hold. It came dead for me, so I'm going to have to charge it up. You shake up the device to bring it to life. It has a couple buttons that you use to navigate. There's a camera on the top right next to the screen. There's the scroll right below it. There's a button on the side to hold down when you're ready to talk. The scroll has a little bit of resistance and allows you to access the main menu. You want to change up the brightness, decrease your volume, connect to your network. I'm going to set my passcode and start playing around with it. Stay tuned for more.